My name is Petra, and I started my scientific journey as a want-to-be physician. So, what happened? I joined an ecology research lab at the University of Richmond, where I studied chilcoma recovery in North American populations of the invasive spongy moth. In 2019, I interned with Appalachian Beekeeping Collective in West Virginia and fell in love with the honeybee system. My sophomore year, I joined a program called Earth Lodge, and this community opened my eyes to the beauty of the natural world. I got excited about sustainability and protecting the flora and fauna that help sustain life as we know it. As I was pulled further and further away from human biology and medicine, I began to understand that environmental health and human health are intertwined. After college, I spent a field season collecting environmental data for the National Ecological Observatory Network. The data was added to a repository where it would be compiled to calculate trends in biodiversity and the effects of climate change over the years. I wondered about the trends we could expect 50 years from now. Would drinking water be safe? Would food production look different? Would anyone actually save the bees? In 2023, I started my entomology Ph.D. at Cornell AgriTech. Here, there's a big focus on extension, which means that one of our primary goals is to do research that will supply growers and other stakeholders with recommendations when it comes to managing crop pests or supporting beneficial insects like pollinators. My dissertation research focuses on finding new eco-friendly tools that target Varroa mites without harming bees and developing brood. I'm also studying how current miticides impact immune gene expression in honeybees. I'll look at which lipid-rich pollen supplements may best reduce stress to the immune system, which is often induced by Varroa and in-hive chemical management tools. Much of my work has an application focus. However, I'm also carrying out fundamental research to better understand the host-parasite relationship and to determine which serolipids mites acquire from honeybee fat bodies. Through outreach events, I strive to foster a sense of enthusiasm for agriculture and the pollinators that support agriculture. I served as a beekeeping and research mentor and share my work with a variety of audiences, including Master Gardener volunteers and students. I look forward to a career with a research and extension focus, where I will partner with beekeepers and growers who rent commercial hives for crop pollination. To maximize the impact of science, I need to build relationships with those who will benefit the most from my research. After all, harvest success and food security are dependent on pollinator and honeybee health.